Our team at Inbox Mailers has perfected a solution that gives you the ability to send an email to your subscribers at the exact time they're in their inbox reading emails. The results? 300% to 500% increases in open rates and click volumes. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, through sending billions of test emails, we've identified a human behavior and figured that the absolute best time to send an email is when a subscriber has first deleted the majority of their emails in their inbox and is then going back through reading the emails one by one. Knowing this, we spent years perfecting the platform and building an extensive network of active emails across all industries. The result is a real-time email tool that lets you send an automated trigger email from your ESP when your active subscribers are in their inbox. Clients are also using this solution to safely re-engage inactive subscribers on their dead email lists. All you have to do is upload your list into our network, and when our software sees your subscribers opening someone else's email, we'll send your ESP a trigger to send an automated email to them while they're still reading that email. These emails consistently get 50 to 70% open rates and are simultaneously improving your email deliverability and inboxing. It really is that simple, and you'll start seeing the results within hours, not weeks or months. Interested in testing this out? Book a call with me and let's get your account set up.